Hi everyone, my name is Miss Essie and I am your play ranger here in the land of Junganoo. Hello, hello, hello to you, Dolly. Hello, hello, today I feel so jolly. Hello, hello, and how do you do? Hello, hello, welcome to the land of Junganoo. I'm so glad you joined me today. There is so much to hear and see and do. Let's play. I hear something. Can you hear it? Shh. Can you hear that? Shh. It sounds like a quiet sound. Shh. Quiet now. Listen. Go ahead. You can say it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shh. I like that sound. Wow, it's fun. Let's say that again together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shh. Great job. You say the quiet sound so nice. Gee, what do I see? I look up, I look down, I look all around. I see my good friend, Sherry Shark. I see a shake. I see some shells. And I see a shirt, shorts, and shoes. Let's play. Yay, I'm so excited. Oh, Sherry Shark. Oh, Sherry Shark. Hi, Sherry Shark. I would like to introduce you to all my friends at home. Hi, friends. This is my friend, Sherry Shark. Sherry's favorite sound is a quiet sound. Shh. Shh. Oh, Sherry, we're going to play today with your favorite sound. Shh. Shh. Raise your tongue, don't let it dip. Pucker lips a little bit. Blow some air over your tongue. Hush, little dolly, quiet sounds are fun. Shh. Shh. Raise your tongue, don't let it dip. Pucker lips a little bit. Blow some air over your tongue. Hush, little dolly, quiet sounds are fun. Shh. Shh. I like that song, Sherry Shark. That's a fun song. What's that I see? Ooh, a shake. I like drinking shakes. I like shakes in the morning. I like shakes in the afternoon. And I like shakes in the evening. Shakes fill my belly. They're filled with fruits and vegetables, and they're yummy, yummy in my tummy. Can we drink a shake? Sure! Yay! Okay, let's see how this shake came out. I can't seem to stop. I want more. Oh, Sherry, I think I need to share. Would you like a shake? Okay. Hey, Sherry is puckering her lips, just like we do when we say our quiet sound. Shh. I like drinking from straws. They're fun. Would you like to have a shake? Sure. Go ahead. You could ask Mom and Dad to make you a shake filled with fruits and veggies because they're yummy, yummy and healthy too. I'm going to have one more sip if that's all right with you. Mm, 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 mm. Ah, I like drinking shakes. They're yummy in my tummy. Well, thanks, Shake. I'll see you later. I'll probably have you more later in the afternoon and the evening. Bye for now. That was yummy. Well, what do we have here, Sherry Shark? Oh, Sherry collected some shells on the beach. Oh, would you like to play a game? Okay, we can play a game. Ready? Here's the game. We're going to listen for our sounds. When we hear Sherry Shark's favorite sound, shh, we will put the shells in Sherry Shark's bucket. If we hear Miss Snake's favorite sound, you remember Miss Snake, don't you? Yeah, she makes the hissing sound. If you hear that sound, then you put the shell in Miss Snake's bucket. Okay, we have to have good listening ears. Are you ready? Me too. Okay, here we go. Let's listen. Shh. I heard shh. What did you hear? You too? Yeah, we heard Sherry Shark's favorite sound. Shh, the quiet sound. Okay. That shell goes into Sherry Shark's bucket. Yay! This is a fun game. Okay, let's listen to this shell. What did you hear? Did you hear Sherry Shark's sound? Me neither. I heard Miss Snake's favorite sound. The hissing sound. That shell will go into Miss Snake's bucket. Okay, let's listen again. Shh. Shh. I heard it. I heard Sherry Shark's favorite sound, the quiet sound. Shh. It goes into the bucket for Sherry Shark. Yay! Okay, let's listen to some more shells. Oh, I'm sorry, Sherry, you're right. I heard a hissing sound. It doesn't go into Sherry Shark's bucket. It goes into Miss Snake's bucket. Thank you for helping me. You're so helpful. Okay, let's listen to more. Shh. Shh. More? Did I do it right? Yay! Go ahead. You can get 2 buckets. Sure you can. Can you listen to the shells? Sure you can. What do you hear? Shh. Shh. A quiet sound. Yay! Ready? Let's listen. Oh, that's not Sherry Shark's favorite sound. That's Miss Snake's favorite sound. I like playing with these shells. Are we listening? Sure we are. Ready? Shh. Shh. Yay! Oh, Sherry Shark, your bucket is filling up quite a bit with lots of quiet sounds. Shh. Yay! Okay, only 2 more times. Are you ready? That is not Sherry Shark's favorite sound. No, no, no. That's Miss Snake's favorite sound. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, 1 more time. Shh. Yay! There's Sherry Shark's favorite sound, the quiet sound. Shh. Into Sherry Shark's bucket. Hey, Sherry Shark, I like that game. I would like to play that again soon with you. Would you? Sure! Yay! I'm so excited. Well, bye for now, Shells. That was lots of fun. Well, Sherry Shark, I see some shoes, some shorts, and a shirt. I think it's time to get dressed. we need to go shopping. But before we do, let's sing our song again because singing is so much fun. Raise your tongue, don't let it dip. Pucker lips a little bit. Blow some air over your tongue. Hush, little dolly, quiet sounds are fun. Shh, shh. Raise your tongue, don't let it dip. Pucker lips a little bit. Blow some air over your tongue. Hush, little dolly, quiet sounds are fun. Shh, shh. Okay, well now that we practiced our song and had so much fun, it's time to go shopping. Mommy needs a few things at the shopping store. Okay, time to put on our shorts. Here we go. Let's put one fin in and the other fin in. We did it. We did it. We're getting dressed. Do you have some shorts you can wear? If it's cold outside by you, then you can wear long shorts, and we call those pants. Oh, Sherry Shark needs to wear her shirt. Do you have a shirt you can wear? You can practice putting on your shirt and your shorts. It's fun. I like getting dressed. Well, Sherry Shark is wearing her shirt to go shopping at the store. Okay, Sherry Shark. You're wearing your shirt and your shorts, and now it's time to put on your shoes. I like doing this. This is fun. I like dressing up my dolls. Do you like to play dress up with your dolls? Yeah, you can practice with your dolls or by yourself. You could always ask Mommy and Daddy for help. Sure you can. Well, now Sherry Shark is ready to go shopping. Are you? Did you get dressed? Sure you did. Are you ready to go? Sure. Let's go. Okay, everyone. Welcome to Junganoo's shopping center. It's time to shop. I need to look at my shopping list. Well, Mom says I need shallots. Oh, well, let's see. Can you put the shallots in the pink shopping cart? Great job! Check. Now we need some sherbet. I like sherbet. Do you? Sure, you can have some later. Okay. Well, the sherbet can go in the yellow cart. Put the sherbet in the yellow shopping cart. Great listening. Check. Next on our shopping list is shish kebab. I like shish kebab. That sounds like a funny name. Shish kebab. We get to use our quiet sound a lot there. Put the shish kebabs in the blue shopping cart. Great job! Check. Now it's time to get shishito peppers. Shishito peppers. Try saying that. Shishito. Wow. Shishito peppers. Oh, Sherry Shark, these are silly names for food. Shishito peppers. Let's put the shishito peppers in the red shopping cart. Great job! You're a great listener. Check. Okay. You ready? Let's listen. We're looking for shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms. You found it. Okay. Let's put the shiitake mushrooms in the pink shopping cart. Great job! Next, we're looking for shrimp. Can you find the shrimp? Great job! let's put shrimp in the blue shopping cart. Good listening. Hey, I only have one more thing on my list. It's not food. It's shaving cream. I guess Daddy needs some shaving cream. Okay, let's find the shaving cream. Yay! Put the shaving cream in the red shopping cart. Great job! Check! Well, my shopping list is all done. Yay! Okay, let's go bring our food back home. Well, we're back, and Mom put all the food away, but Sherry Shark wanted to play with Dad's shaving cream. Shh! Uh-oh. Sherry Shark, I think we need to take off your shirt and off with your shorts and shoes. I think we're going to get messy. It's fun getting messy sometimes. Are you ready? I'm going to shake the shaving cream and spray. Listen for your quiet sound. Are you ready? Wow! Oh, wow! Let's shake it again and oh my goodness, this is fun. Sherry Shark, we're going to play with shaving cream. Are you ready? I like to play with shaving cream and draw some circles. I like to make a dot, dot, dot. Would you like to join me? Sure you can. Ask Mom or Dad or any grown-up in your home to get some shaving cream on a cookie sheet. And you can play. Remember, you can use whipped cream if you don't have shaving cream, but shaving cream helps us learn our quiet sound. Shh. I'll wait. Raise your tongue, don't let it dip. Pucker lips a little bit. Blow some air over your tongue. Hush, little dolly, quiet sounds are fun. Shh. Hey, I can make a lazy 8. Whee! Wow, I can draw with 2 hands at the same time. I like doing this. I have some colors over here. Uh-oh, I'm messy. Shh. Uh-oh. Shelly Shark, you're going to get shaving cream on your nose. I got shaving cream on my nose. Silly me. Boop, boop. Shaving cream on my cheeks. Oh, no. Well, let's use some colors. I have the color. That's right. Blue. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Drip, drip, drip. Wow, let's see what we're going to make. Whee! Our shaving cream is turning blue. So much fun. I like changing the colors of my shaving cream. Sure. What color would you like next? Would you like red or yellow? Red? Sure. Okay, let's open and drip, drip, drip. Uh-oh. Now we are mixing red and blue in our shaving cream. Wow, this is so much fun. Oh boy, I bet we could put our whole hand in there. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, boom! Oh, wow. It's fun getting messy. I like doing this. You can practice at home. Well, now Sherry Shark and Miss Essie are very messy. Uh-oh, I think we need to take a shower. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go take a shower. Okay, Sherry Shark, it's time to take a shower. Show me where your eyes are. Wash them in the shower. Shake the water out to dry. Shake, shake, shake. Now you can open your eyes. Show me where your nose is. Wash it in the shower. Shake the water and the soap. Shake, shake, shake. Now you can smell through your nose. Show me where your mouth is. Wash it in the shower. Shake the water in and out. Shake, shake, shake. Now you can sing through your mouth. La 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 la. Show me where your head is. Wash it in the shower. Shake the water like I said. Shake, shake, shake. Now you can shake your head. Show me where your ears are. Wash them in the shower. Shake the water out to here. Shake, 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 shake. Now you can hear through your ears. Yay! That's a wonderful shower song. I like using our quiet sound to sing in the shower. Shh. Oh, Sherry Shark is shivering. Oh no. Okay, let's get out of the bath. Ready? Oh, Sherry, you need a towel. Oh, what's that? Oh, Sherry Shark, I still have some soap on me. Yes, am I all clean now? Okay, let's dry you up because you're shivering. Oh, it's so cold. We need a towel after our bath. Oh, Sherry Shark, I think she's very sleepy. Shh. Okay, it's time to take a nap. Are you ready to take a nap? Come on, let's go. Okay, Sherry Shark, it's time to go to bed. It's time for a nap. Shh, shh. Okay, ready? Let's sing a little song for Sherry, nice and quiet. Raise your tongue, don't let it dip. Pucker lips a little bit. Blow some air over your tongue. Hush, little dolly, quiet sounds are fun. Raise your tongue, don't let it dip. Pucker lips a little bit. Blow some air over your tongue. Hush, little dolly, quiet sounds are fun. Shh, shh. Are you getting ready to take a nap? Okay, well before you do, it's time for my Love Myself mirror. Hello, Love Myself mirror. Before we take a nap, or any time of day, it's always important to tell ourselves how wonderful we are. I am a shining star. Sure you are. Yes, you are. Shh. Yes, you are a shining star. And it's okay to whisper it. Shh. It's okay to tell yourself that in your brain, even when no one else can hear you. Shh. I am sharp. I think nice and clearly. Yeah, you are sharp too. And so is Sherry Shark. Shh. I am a shimmering light. Yes, I am shimmering. I am a light. My presence is lighting up every room wherever I go, and so is yours. I am sure of myself. It's always good to be sure of yourself, just to know how wonderful you are and how confident you can be. Well, thank you, my love myself mirror, for reminding me of all the wonderful things that I am. I love you, sure I do. Well, friends, I hope today you share all the wonderful things you love with friends and family. I hope that you show yourself to the world so everyone can see how wonderful you are. And most of all, I hope you shine your light. Shine your light for all the world to see, because every one of us has a light inside of us. You are surely wonderful to me. And Sherry, shh. Bye for now, friends. Enjoy your nap. I'll see you real soon. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye to you, Dolly. Goodbye, goodbye. Today we feel so jolly. Goodbye, goodbye. I will miss you. Goodbye, goodbye. I hope to see you soon in the land of Junganoo. Bye for now, friends. Shh. For more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe.